Good morning. So this is a demo of the Secrets Manager with all the changes up until 18.1 milestone. So currently we have the changes in staging.gitlab.com, and we're going to create a project and go through the features that we currently have. So make sure that your um, account is under the Ultimate license. Otherwise, this feature will not be available. So we have a staging account with the Ultimate license enabled. So now we're going to go ahead and create a new project. Let's say open bar. Let's say GitLab Secrets Manager. Create a namespace, or you can leave them as well. And I'm going to create a project. So now we're going to go ahead from the settings, general, visibility. You can see Secrets Manager available. So this is under a feature flag, which I have enabled for the staging. So you can see them here. We're going to go ahead and enable it. There we go. So now you can see it says Secret Manager user permissions. So this one from here, you should be able to add specific permissions to the user or the group or roles. So the roles are will include both customer roles and also the default roles in the system. So before that, and also while we enable the Secrets Manager, the owners of this particular project will have all the CRUD permissions available by default. So they will be able to create, read or update or delete secrets by default. So now let's go. So I'm the owner of this project. So by default, I should have the permission. So we're going to go ahead and under secure, now you will have, I think I should reload this. Let's go click secure because there should be Secrets Manager available. I should save the changes. There we go. We go to secure Secrets Manager. And let's create a new secret. So we're going to create, let's say TB. Oh, yeah, username. Let's give the same value. Username for the database. A wildcard environment, main, and expiration date. And we're going to add secret. So the rotation period is an optional one, which is something that's to be done in the future. So you can see here, the DB username is created. We don't show the value of the key. We just only show the other attributes. So if we go to secure secrets manager, it's going to list the secrets. Again, it shows only the name of the secret. It will not show the value of the secret. Now, we're going to see this inside the CI pipeline if we are able to access this. So let's go to the pipeline. We currently don't have a pipeline, so let's create a ci.yaml file. So I do have a YAML file. So we're going to test, let's say, it's the same thing as just the name of the job. So we're going to test the secret. So this is how we're going to define it. So the test secret and the name of the secrets manager is GitLab Secrets Manager. And we're going to give the name for our key. So that's the TB username, which we created just now. And so what I've done is I'm going to fetch this TB username and I'm going to fetch it under this name called test secret. So, and I'm just displaying it here to make sure this secret is actually fetched from the secrets manager, which is the open bar. So we're going to update this. and it's loading the pipeline. Pipeline is running. It's going to be masked because it's a secret that's fetched, but still it should show as green, saying that it worked. So there we go. Yeah, so you can see test secret, which is masked, and it's done. Suppose if we have a secret which is not present inside our secrets manager, let's consider we change it to something as testing or something that doesn't exist, it should actually fail. And let's just try that. Let's go to the pipeline. This should be quick because we already used a runner. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. So it will tell reading secret, reading from the API error, one error, permission denied. So this actually says permission denied because um, based on the policy, it fails, not giving you enough details that is no such secret existing inside the DB. Now let's go to, so this is all that we could do inside the UI right now. So as we saw initially inside the general, you saw the screen where we could add permissions on who could access the secret and all that stuff. So this is the initial layout. So when you click on users, there should be a pop-up that comes up, something that, okay, I think I've closed it, but there should be a pop-up that comes up asking you to add the permissions. So right now we have the GraphQL endpoints for them, and the UI is work in progress. So if we open the GraphQL Explorer, we could check some of the permissions. So as I said, permissions, we can actually create. So currently, if you list the permission, so let's try that. So we have to, this is the query to like get all the secret permissions, and we're going to pass a variable, which is the project path. So the project that we have right now is under the AI testing group, and it's GitLab Secrets Manager. So let's copy this. Let me save. So when you run it, there's a we. Oh yeah, sorry. There we go. So we have the initial permission, which is the 50. That's the owner role. This is something that's default created, so you can see they have all the correct permissions. So this is the listing, but if we go, we can actually create a permission for another role, like a developer, or you can even use a particular user's ID. So for example, if I go, let's create a role for permission, and I'm going to create, I think for developer, it is 20, I guess, but let's see if there are validations in the backend, which is going to tell us, hey, That's not the one you're looking for. So let's see. So yeah, so if suppose this is the developer permission, I think if I put an ID which is not mapped the right way, it will tell you. So the guest is 10, the planner is 15, reporter is 20, the developer is 30, and maintainer is 40. So this mapping is only for the developer role type. The other ones which we have is user. So for user, we can directly pass the user ID over here, and it can add permissions to that particular user. Or if you have member role, it's a member role, which is basically custom role. And if we can pass the ID of the member role right over here. And we have validations in place which checks if this particular member role or the user that you pass has access to the particular project. And only then will create the particular permissions that we pass through. Yeah, so that's a short demo on the current status of the secrets permission. Sorry, secrets manager. Thank you.